And the landers continue to be healthy, and the Falcon 9 team is tracking no issues on the vehicle. Next coming up will be at T-minus 2 minutes. We should hear the call out for propellant loading.
Stage 2 lock load complete.
Right on time. That is stage 2 LOX load complete. That means propellant loading is now fully complete on Falcon 9. The vehicle is now fully loaded with 1 million pounds of kerosene fuel and liquid oxygen. And just a correction, it is 1:11 a.m. Eastern time for liftoff tonight.
Gas launch closeouts have started.
Now that the propellant loading is complete, we should begin to see venting coming from the transporter erector. That is just clearing out those propellant lines from the TE in preparation for liftoff.
Falcon 9 has been started.
This means that the Falcon vehicle's internal flight computers have taken over the launch countdown. We're now just waiting for the final go from the launch director.
That'll be go for launch.
And great news, we are go for launch, so let's watch as Falcon 9 takes our 2 lunar payloads out to space.
T-minus 30 seconds. T-minus 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff. Go fly, go high space, go south. Vehicles pitching downrange.
T plus 30 seconds into launch, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center. Now the vehicle is going vertically, but it will begin to move horizontally. We're going to gimbal
Falcon
those.
9 power and telemetry are nominal.
We're going to gimbal those engines. We're still going up, but now
Engine pressure zone.
now we
Vehicle
will
is supersonic.
be moving horizontally, and that helps the vehicle get into orbit and avoid being pulled back down to Earth. And we are coming up on max Q. This is the largest structural load that the vehicle will see during ascent.
Max Q.
There's that call out. We've passed through max Q. And we do have a few events coming up in quick succession. That'll be MECO, stage separation, and SES-1. MECO is main engine cutoff, and that's where we will shut down all 9 of those M1D engines that you see there burning bright on your screen. That prepares the vehicle for stage separation. That's when the first and second stages separate from each other, and the first stage will begin to make its way back down to Earth, while the second stage carries the payloads and continues with its journey with SES-1, or second stage engine start 1. And that's where we will ignite the MVAC engine on the second stage. And shortly afterwards, we will have SECO, where the vehicle will coast. So we are coming up on those 3 events that I just mentioned: MECO, stage separation, and SES-1 in just about 20 seconds from now. Really cool tracking views here of Falcon 9 and those 9 Merlin M1D engines burning bright there.
MECO. Stage separation confirmed. MVAC ignition.
great views. We watched as we shut down those 9 Merlin M1D engines, stage separation, and now you can see there on your screen that MVAC engine has ignited, again carrying the 2 lunar landers aboard Falcon 9's second stage. And there on your left-hand screen, you can see that the first stage is deploying its grid fins. Those hypersonic grid fins will help guide the vehicle back down to Earth. And in about 15 seconds or so, we will also have fairing deploy. We have the fairing protecting the payloads through ascent. But once we're in the vacuum of space, we no longer need that protection, so we will jettison those fairing halves.